If you were to ask me what is my favorite thing to eat on the Thanksgiving table, I will 100% always say corn casserole. I've always loved it since my childhood and I still love it today. So I'm going to show you how I make my corn casserole, but I'm doing it a little different today. I'm going to try it with a secret ingredient which I've never tried before. I just thought this would be unique. I'm going to try it with corn flakes. So it's cornflake corn casserole. Start with a bowl. A can of sweet corn drained. 1 can of cream corn. 1 stick of melted butter. A cup of sour cream. 2 eggs beaten. And a tablespoon of sugar. Not everybody adds this, but I always do. Mix that together a little bit. Add a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. And here's where I'm getting wild. I'm adding 3 cups of corn flakes. And mix that all together. Now I'm going to pour it into a prepared baking dish. I am so curious about my creation. Look at it now. So normally I bake a corn casserole at 350 for about 45 minutes. I'm not sure about this version, so I'm going to check it after 30 minutes. Here it is. And yes, it did take 45 minutes. Let's dig in. Cornflake corn casserole. I like trying new things. It definitely tastes just like a normal corn casserole, but there's definitely something different about it. It's got to be that texture of the corn flakes. It works wonderfully. And it's something I would recommend you try too. Why not? It tastes amazing. I think if I were to do it again, I would put 2 cups of corn flakes in the batter and then 1 cup of corn flakes sprinkled on top to get nice and crunchy. But overall, it was a great dish. If you ever get lost in a corn maze, just follow your ears.